920 cross. So we're in the face of certain disaster. No, but we're in the face of a calculated level we've already hit in the pre-market. So we've tested it once. If this works, we should be able to get through 123. We've got a nice PCH 920 cross, and then the 20's been tested already. We'll come back. So this would be nice. If we might fail this right out the gate and get some kind of pullback down here. But as long as we don't close under this before the open, I'm taking this right at the open. I like it. 120.68. Like I'm taking them. Got it. I got it. I got the combo on that. Good. Here we go. Up a buck. Here we go. Let's go. 123. Here's profit right here. Took a couple off there and paid myself. Nice, man. Let's go, baby. The combo I put on, the out of the monies on these, I'm not selling a freaking one of those. I'm holding those for all day long or until this momentum's died. Let's go. 125. I'm going to take some more profits there. I still got full size on the further out of the money combo. And I've taken off about 2/3. I'm down to 10 contracts now. Right at 125. Hell, I think I'm just going to take these off, man. Boom. At the money. I'm just going to start peeling these off. Yeah, there we go. All the at the money's off. I'm done. I got the out of the monies, though, that are still up really nice. I'm going to hang on to those. I still got full size on those. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a profit stop on those. 140%, 150%, 160% on these out of the monies. Let's go.